Do you know how to insert the gender, male or female, in automatic way, like in this example? Of course guys, don't do it manually, where you just write for the male names, the male, for the female, female, because it will take so much your time. Let's write our formula. First of all, we select all our columns where we wanna get the gender. We write equal if, left, we select all the names from the columns of name, comma, free, close the bar, equal, quotes, we write Mr, quotes, comma, quotes, male, quotes, comma, quotes, female, quotes. Press enter, and in just 1 second you get all the names in the column.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.